In this video, we are going to see how to promote your item and improve sales on the AuctionWorx site. As a seller, I want to stand out my product among the other products so that the buyer will notice my product first. This can be achieved by promoting the product using lot options present in AuctionWorx. Let's check the different ways to do this. Go to Edit Lot page for which you want to promote. Option 1. Making the product title bold. You can opt bold title option and save the changes. Let's check how the product is visible to the buyers with a bold title on the event details and browse page. On the event details page, we can see that our lot's title is now bold. And it is also bold on the browse page. Additionally, if we change the view, the title remains bold. Option 2. Add a sale banner. You can opt sale banner option and save the changes. Let's check how the product is visible to the buyers with a sale banner on the event details and browse page. On the event details page, we can see our lot with a sale banner. And it is also visible on the browse page. Option 3. Highlight the product panel background. You can opt highlight option and save the changes. Let's check changes in event details and browse page. On the event details page, we can see our lot with highlighted background. And it is also visible on the browse page. The same options can be selected while creating lots. This is how you can make your products more attractive to buyers and potentially increase your sales. Thank you for watching.